Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, what I'm gonna do is try to make this cart fit in the truck with that board over there. So I got this 4x8 board that I got from Home Depot, which I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half and then just make two sections on the left and right side, just like this picture. So I first measured the inner side of the wheels to find out how wide I have to make it on the truck. And it's about 35 and a half. So for the distance from here to around here, it's about 12 3/4. All right, so I got everything measured up. I put this board here so it helps me guide when I make the cut, but the distance between here to here is that 12 3/4, and then from this edge, the length, I measured 69 and a half. So we'll go ahead and cut it right now. All right, made my first cut. See how it fits. Check that out. Not bad for a first cut. Cool. Let's go do the other side now. Got both of the woods cut already. So next I'm going to go ahead and make legs to hold it up. I put weights there temporarily so I can go ahead and measure the distance. So it looks like it's about 9.5. I'll get a leveler. So with the leveler, I'm getting about 9 3/4. I'll lift it up a little bit with my finger. It's kind of hard to do it while holding the camera, but I think I'm safe going 9 3/4. Let's try that. This is the left piece of board, which is 48 inches. So I'm going to cut 4 legs, 12 inches wide, and then the height will be that 9 3/4. Alright, got all the 4 legs cut out, so what I'm going to do is stick them underneath on both sides and see how it fits. Got all the legs in, everything looks nice. I mean, the wood is kind of bent from when I bought the plywood, but that's fine because after I put the hardware, everything should level out, but also the weight of the cart. The reason why I have it here instead of here is because the cart stand, if I were to take it with me, it's 35 inches wide, so it will clear the wheels of that. Another thing I forgot to mention is it's not straight here. The reason why is because the bed is curved in. I have to cut a little piece off so I can line it up right here in the corner. Alright, got the hardware in. I just used the wood screws and these L-shaped brackets, and cool, look what came in. No, not raspberries. Boom. Surprise. I'll tell you later what it is. Check out that fitment. I was able to cut that edge off. And pretty cool. I'm gonna do the other side now. All done. Looks pretty cool. But the actual test is putting the cart on there. I mean, if I don't put the cart, then I guess this makes a cool bench for your friends to sit on. But yeah, let's try it. Alright, I was able to put it in. The cart fits by itself, but if I wanted to put my engine stand with it, I needed like a 2x4, which it doesn't have to be that thick. Obviously, look at the clearance right there. It's pretty close. But without the engine stand or cart stand, then it will fit perfectly. Obviously I had to take out the rear bumper because it didn't want to close, but close. So for this problem, I'll probably just cut a little rectangle off to clear the wheel on both sides. All right, you want to know what's inside the box? Let's find out. I know what it is already, obviously. Ooh, nice. These are hard to find. I get to get my hands on one. Dang. Rib protector. There you have it, guys. If you want to see more videos in the future, please like and subscribe, and I'll post more.